So your first 2 weeks, how much would you say you made? You're averaging around 400 bucks a day?
Yeah. For the first week, 400 a day. I think the next week I was doing around 500 a day.
500 a day, guys.
Yeah.
She got even better.
Because I upped it. I would send them like have a great day notes. I'd put them in their bags and everything.
Oh my gosh.
I would, yeah, the whole thing. I was going ham.
Would you add in like your Venmo so they can send you a little tip on the side?
I should have.
Like,
but they can increase their tip and everything after. So
yeah.
that's why I made sure the after.
So 500 bucks a day your second week for 7 days. That's 3,500 a week plus 2,400. So that means you made a grand total of $5,900 in 2 weeks, guys.
Yes.
That's mind-boggling. And oh, by the way, for everybody asking why we're not showing her screenshots is because you got deactivated, right?
I did get deactivated.
Which we're going to talk about in a second, but I know people are going to be like, where's the screenshots? You're not lying, right?
No, I'm not lying.
You're like 100% real?
100% real, everything.
Can you swear?
I swear on anything I can swear on.
Okay, you swear on my audience?
Yes, I swear on your audience on this channel.
5,000 bucks in 2 weeks, guys.